Today we're just gonna go for a little drive. Haven't driven in about a week, and then just do a couple pulls maybe. Have you guys come along for a POV video. I'm also going to be testing out the new Grimmspeed shift knob I put in. I will be installing the Grimmspeed pitch stop mount shortly once I get the right tools to access inside, because I have a full unboxing video and I'll show you guys why it's harder to install my pitch stop compared to other pitch stops. It's mainly because of all the hosing I have, especially the oil control valve. But yeah, let's get this video rolling. So some exciting news. I have a new part coming. I kind of mentioned it on Instagram. Hang on, my allergies are horrific. I'm about to sneeze. Not good, I'm running with the windows down, but it's already 80 degrees out. But I have a new part coming, and it's gonna help me on track. Some of you guys may know what it is, some of you guys may not know what it is, but I will definitely be doing an unboxing and an install of the part when it gets here. And then I already signed up for my next track day. I signed up August 14th, and then I realized, well, Michaela told me, because I'm not that great at planning, she's like, that's our second day back at work, so if for some reason we do go back to work despite this pandemic, COVID-19, shelter in place, hoax, whatever you want to call it, I might not be able to go. We'll see, just because it's the second day of work, but I really hope I can make that track day. It's Thunderhill 3 mile, so August 14th. We'll see maybe if I can squeeze something in before that, but right now it's just pretty hot for everything. But I'm gonna let the car get up to temp. Currently we are at 118 oil temp. I like to get on it, or I like to let it go until like 140 before I start romping on it. You guys may know Grimmspeed is a sponsor of Macaw, this build, so they're more than graciously able to send me out a little care package, which we are going to open up and see exactly what they sent me. So we got some stickers, of course. I'm assuming these are black, red. They sent out some patches. These are cool. A gray and a red one as well. This looks like a banner. Yep. hang that up in the garage. Not going to unwrap it. It's going to be a gigantic mess. Definitely will be hanging that up in the garage. Looks like they sent out a hoodie, so I'll change out of this one I'm wearing now. Go ahead and put this on for when we do something on the car. This is pretty heavy. Thank you for choosing Grimmspeed. Oh, I think I know what this is. This is a shift knob. Pretty sure. And this thing is heavy as heck. I'll have to see if my mom has a scale here and we can weigh how much this shift knob weighs, but bring it up closer. Now I know they make titanium, Delrin. Oh, this is a stainless steel, but this thing is really heavy. I'll have to weigh it and get back to you guys on how much this thing weighs. Not expecting it to be that heavy. Here we have a t-shirt, and then in here, I think I know what this is, which I'll be swapping out. Yep. It's their pitch stop mount. So, definitely will be putting this on and swapping off my parent pitch stop. Bit of a tight squeeze with my front mount actually, and all my extra wires, hoses for the oil control valve and fuel. Even though pitch stop is a bust right now, let's go ahead, weigh this shift knob. 599 grams. Let's go to pounds. It's 1 pound 5 ounces. So this thing's pretty heavy. Not gonna lie, this thing is hefty, so I'm going to put it on and we're going to go for a little drive, test out the shift knob. Going ahead and removing my Downward Customs teardrop. I'm definitely keeping this. There's no more of them, and honestly this is probably one of the favorite shift knobs I have. It just feels really good. The teardrop style feels really good in my hand. I'll actually go weigh this one after. Remember 1.5 pounds. Already this thing is just heavy and it's beefy. Definitely gonna make throws easier, I think. It's a little big in the hand. Maybe I have smaller hands. This way feels good. Up top, it's a little wide. But dang, this thing, I mean, this shift knob is just heavy. So yeah, we'll give it a go for a little, see how it is. Alright, this will be take 2, and I'm sorry, I'm doing it in broad daylight, 12 o'clock, it's 90 degrees out. Can't go in there, the warehouse right now. People are wrapping the car. Replacing it with my Grimmspeed pitch stop. So I got the electrical tools out now, and if this doesn't get it off, I think I'll go to AA Motorworks and have them take off the Killer B, as I'm not comfortable doing that. But let's go ahead and just see if this electrical tool works. Alright, looks like we're gonna have to take the AOS and oil control valve off. I'm gonna close this video out now. I actually really like the Grimmspeed shift knob. It feels really good actually, and the weight, I don't know if it's placebo or whatever, but definitely makes shifting feel a little easier. Takes away the notchiness, that's for sure. I definitely felt like it was just more fluid. But as far as the pitch stop, if I can show you guys exactly what I'm hitting. So when I'm trying to do, oh, forgot to put the hose back. Here we go. I'm mainly hitting this, and then also this silver hose. I don't want to touch it because it's gonna be hot. But those are like the main things that I'm hitting. The front bolts that you guys can't see. Oh my god, this engine bay is hot. Those ones come out, it's just the rear. So these two hoses are the ones that need to come off. I guess I could probably do it. I just don't know if a bunch of oil is going to leak out when you put those, so maybe put a towel down underneath. yeah, once I think the Grimmspeed pitch stop is in, I will sell the parent one. So if you guys are interested in buying the parent one, I'll let it go. I know it's like $100 new, so probably something a lot cheaper used. But yeah, here's the pitch stop one more time. Definitely like the look. Should pop out in the engine bay. Not like I need to pop out more. But that's going to conclude today's video. Next video you guys will probably see of this car, if you made it this far, thank you, is going to be the unboxing of my new parts that are coming. So fingers crossed they come pretty soon. But yeah. Alright, time to cover it up. Head on home. Take care, guys.